On the 6th of June, 2022, the Chagin Valley Dispatch Center was flooded with calls, all pointing to a potential bank robbery unfolding in Brecksville. The video captured a crucial call made by an off-duty officer from Broadview Heights, who observed the situation and initiated the call for assistance. In the dash camera footage you're about to see, Independence officers can be seen swiftly identifying the escaping vehicle on the highway.
911, where's your emergency?
Dollar Bank on Chippewa. I think those, this is Officer Pozek Broadview. I think those guys are hitting the Dollar Bank right now. Yep.
Okay, you think there's a bank robbery occurring at 7500 Chippewa? Okay, bank robbery, 7500 Chippewa. Okay, got it.
Camry.
Okay, black Toyota Camry. Okay.
I'm following it. We're pulling on to Chippewa, it's going towards Brecksville Road.
Pulling onto Chippewa, going onto Brecksville Road.
Taking a left. He's going around traffic. He's going around traffic. He's going straight.
He's going around traffic. He's going straight to the highway. Just straight.
Camry, no plates.
No plates. Two black males. Okay, two black males. Okay, got it.
Both hoodies, they have masks pulled over their faces.
Both hoodies with masks on their faces. Let me know where you're at.
I'm gonna push this light. I'm gonna try to catch up to him.
Okay, let me know what road are you on. Where are you at right now?
We're on 82 heading towards 77.
82 heading towards 77. Towards 77. I'm saying it out loud. You just keep telling me, okay? Did you see any weapons? Any weapons?
No, it's the same guys, though. I saw the Dollar General bag. They had one guy walking in.
Okay, you said it's sunglasses. It's the same guys, you said? Same guys with the Dollar General bag?
77 North.
Okay. My caller is losing him.
Still approaching Walling right now.
Still approaching Walling. Okay. They're all coming. Still approaching Wallings. Okay, got it. Keep telling me.
Still approaching Walling.
Okay, approaching Wallings. Is he speeding up?
No plate.
As you can see, the officers successfully identified the car and are now going to start the chase.
I'll be in pursuit, going eastbound. I would advise Garfield. Speed 80, traffic's heavy. We're going to be approaching the bridge. Speed 90, traffic's heavy. 58, you copy this? He's going to be approaching the bridge here in a second.
I copy you. Second.
I do not. Speed 80, traffic heavy on the bridge. Trying to make it through cars here. Getting off at transportation, speed 90, slowing. Yeah, advise Garfield, he's getting off at transportation. Speed slowing to 40. Coming up to the transportation. Northbound transportation, speed 40. I'm right on him. Let me know if you want me to do anything else to pursue. I got a Garfield unit with me. We're getting back on the highway, going westbound.
I copy you. Good to pursue.
Copy, I'm on him. Speed 38, getting back westbound. I got two Garfield units with me. They're probably going to be getting off at Fleet. They're getting off at the Fleet exit. Speed 50. They're going to be going northbound on 50th, northbound East 50th from Fleet. They're in the 4th District now. Unless they turn, they'll be heading into the 3rd District. They're slowing down, looking like they might bail. I don't know yet, we're still northbound. Coming up to Pershing, East 50th, coming up to Pershing. I'm 10 feet off them, speed 70. I have several cities behind me. We are 77, passing Dalton, still northbound on 50th, passing Rufin, passing Ham. Speed 80, traffic light, no pedestrians. Exiting Lorraine, exiting onto Lorraine. They just hit a vehicle to bail. One male bailed. One male bailed. He hit my car. Tell that Garfield, yeah, he's got to pursue on his own. My vehicle is dysfunctional at this point. They struck a vehicle, West 85th and Lorraine. I'm out on foot.
Cuffs. I got cuffs.
We got one in custody, 89th and Lorraine. I think I broke my finger. You guys good? Both good? Good job. You get the auto guy too?
Nice. You got anything on you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't.
You need medical?
Huh?
You need medical? You hurt?
I'm bleeding.
Yeah.
Bad.
Not bad. Here. Roll to your butt. I'm gonna sit. Roll to that knee. I'm gonna help you up, alright? Right knee, roll up.
Want to get him in the back ears for a moment?
Yeah.
So I got it here at West 85th and Lorraine.
Here, let me do a better pat down on him.
Radio Chagin Heights, just to verify you have both suspects in custody, correct?
You tell him one's in my car. Did you smack something?
Yeah.
What'd you hit?
The fence.
Where you tried to scoot past me? I tried to give you as much room as I could because I knew you were coming in hotter than I was.
Cooper, what's up? Catch him?
Yeah?
Two. Just two. That's what we got told as well.
Copy. Wildfire under control.
Okay, do you know where they're at?
No.
Because he's bleeding pretty good from the face.
What's his name?
I just patted him down. I haven't ID'd nobody.
What they were in?
Yeah. He's bleeding from the face real bad, so I'm trying to get a hold of Brecksville to get medical up here. I assume it'd be Cleveland FD coming.
Well, I know they got one right over there. We got anything for his face?
We might have some gauze or something to be able to clean it up.
The suspects were treated and released at Metro Health Medical Center after the chase ended with the crash in Cleveland.